guys, so let's just get right into it. So I'm going to take my James Charles palette. I'm going to take a big blending brush and I'm going to take the color 10% off. I'm just going to put it in my crease to blend in my crease. So this is going to be our transition color. It's really for everything else we put on. It's going to be like easy to blend. Next I'm taking like a bullet brush. I'm going to take the color Daddy and I'm going to pack it on my crease. So you want to go like all the way to the outer corner and then pack it on the crease. Like I said before, like this palette, it's hard to blend. It's not hard to blend, just when you blend you feel like the color disappears, so make sure you really pack it on like I'm doing right now. And then I'm taking a smaller blending brush. I'm just gonna blend the crease. On that part I felt like the green, I put it a bit too low, like lower for my crease, so I'm just gonna go back with my bullet brush and add a bit more of the other shade Daddy in the crease, and I'm gonna blend it again. So next I'm taking the color B and I'm gonna take a small eyeshadow brush. That brush didn't really work out because, as you can see, like this shade wasn't showing, so I took a more like compact shader brush. This one was better, but still it wasn't working. So what I did, I just went into my NYX palette. Yeah, this yellow shade is way better. The name is going to be down below of the palette if you guys want to take a look. So I'm just going to pack it on in the inner corner, and I'm going to take also a little bit later, I'm going to take an angle brush. It's just for where the green is, so I don't mix the two colors together. It's just to be more precise. So it should look something like this. Next I'm taking a compact brush. I'm going to take the color Guac and I'm going to just put it like wherever I wouldn't put any eyeshadow yet. So that little square, I'm going to pack it on with the brush and my fingers. Pack it on as much as you can and blend it so it doesn't look like a patch on your eyelid. So you just want to blend all the colors all together. And it should look something like this. At this point I didn't know if I liked it, to be honest, but I don't know, it's something different. I think it's just the color green that's throwing me off, but I like it. So next I just put a bit of eyeliner. It's pretty small, just so like I have a base for my lashes. I'm taking off the tape, so it should look something like this now. So if everything is blended, you have the liner on, everything is done. Here I did my base already, I did my lips, everything. So I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm taking an angle brush and I'm going into the color Daddy again. So you just want to smoke out the lower lash line. Like I'll do like the 2/3 of it. I'm gonna take another angle brush just so I don't mix the shadows together. I'm gonna take the shade Social Blade and I put it in the under corner just to have a different kind of green, something different, like a little bit more dimension. Next I'm taking a bit of mascara. So you really want to pack it on your lower lashes. And I'm also taking a black pencil liner. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is one version of the makeup look. I'm going to show you another like version. So here I'm just putting a bit of highlight just to finish the look, so I look really glowy. So like I said, this is the first version. I'm going to show you how you can like do a little something so it looks a bit more dazzled, I guess. So I took my Liquid Glow by Anastasia in the color Oyster. I'm just going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to line the yellow shade along the green. And then I took the color Bronzed and I just put it on top of my black liner just to add a little bit something. That's really if you want to bedazzle your eye makeup look. It just adds a little something. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And that's pretty much it. So this is how it should look like, and that's it, you guys. I'll see you soon.
One comes around one today. They don't say things the same.